kill! Counter recon aircraft fuels and ready. That's friendly mortar fire coming. They got me pinned! Time for a counter recon! Hardpoint located. Friendly glide bomber incoming. Recon airborne. Hardpoint activated. Stun grenade attack dogs ready for
That nigga's
action.
out in front of the top of the house.
Double kill. The pack is loose. Friendly attack dogs on the way for backup. Recon aloft. We got local informants have a report. Friendly's got local informants on their side.
No, you don't know what's right.
Tear them apart. Unleash ours. Hardpoint's under fire. Double
I think
kill.
it's dude on the roof.
Hardpoint located.
Alright, I'm playing like fucking ass. I don't know what it is.
Hardpoint activated. Glide bomber assist coming in.
Holy fuck.
Double kill. Incoming grenade. Double kill. Good job, little chefs. Rest up.
More buddy. Oh,
Glide bomber assist
man,
coming
that
in.
was two
Got a guard dog coming in.
Dude, the guy scared me. He's under.
You're mowing them down.
They don't know how to get on the roof, so.
They got me pinned.
That nigga's really got on me. The other niggas didn't.
play like ass.
Yeah, I didn't do too good either.
Yeah, no good, bro.
One down.
Look.
That's a quadruple.
Fucking camper, you fucking suck, Malik.
I'm going fuck. Not a L, not a L.
The hell
That
we
bitch fell
doing?
through. At the end of the game, that bitch fell through the roof because that bitch stayed up there all game.
Is that how?
Bro,
Is that how we be looking?
Y'all got tossed.
Is that how we be looking when we be going anyway?
Y'all got tossed.
No, we don't be looking like that because we don't camp.
Bruh, at one point, dude, I saw them all spawn in. And like 8 of them looking at me, dude. I was so scared. Like as soon as they spawned in, they were just fucking breaking their necks to look at me.
Oh yeah, they were going crazy. That